At first, it didn't make any sense. A faint light moving against the star. But unlike anything we had seen before, it wasn't reflecting sunlight like a comet should. For a moment, telescopes around the world thought it was a glitch, then confirmed that this thing was real and it was moving very fast, way too fast. Within hours, astronomers realized something incredible. This object wasn't orbiting the sun, it was cutting through the solar system. And that meant only one thing: it came from somewhere else. One fact stood out: this wasn't an asteroid, and definitely not a spacecraft. It was a visitor from another star. In July 2025, telescopes picked one of these cosmic strangers. It was moving fast, really fast, and it didn't follow any normal orbit. It wasn't just another comet, it was 3I Atlas. Only the third interstellar object ever discovered, and a few days ago, it swung right past our sun. The Atlas Sky Survey in Hawaii first spotted a faint blur in the dark. Then the data started pouring in from all over the world. Its speed, around 60 kilometers per second, was estimated to be too high to belong here in our solar system. It wasn't bound by sun's gravity at all. This means it came from outside, from another star. This isn't the first time space has ever sent us something like this. Back in 2017, we met Oumuamua, a weird cigar-shaped rock that behaved like nothing we had ever known or seen. 2 years later, 2I Borisov showed up, a proper comet from another star glowing with ice and dust. And now, 3I Atlas joined them, except this one is way more exciting. Why? Because scientists think this might be one of the oldest objects ever observed, maybe formed over 7 billion years ago, before our solar system even existed. That's older than the Earth itself, older than the Sun itself. As it moved closer to the Sun this October, space telescopes zoomed in. NASA, ESA, even the James Webb telescope took a look, and what they found was weirdly beautiful. The comet's tail exploded with colors. Layers of gas was glowing in different wavelengths, almost like a cosmic rainbow. It was giving off huge amount of carbon dioxide, much more than typical water vapor. That's a bit low. This thing formed in completely different environment, maybe around a star richer in carbon. ESA's Mars Express even caught it briefly near Mars before it raced sunwards. On October 27, 2025, it reached perihelion, its closest point to the Sun. And just like that, it began its escape out of the solar system forever. We got only a few weeks to observe it, but what we have learned could rewrite the part of our understanding of comet and planetary systems. It's easy to forget how big universe really is, but every so often, something like 3I Atlas comes by to remind us space isn't out there, it's connected to us. Every piece of rock and ice tells a story, and this one came from another world. We may never see 3I Atlas again, but the data, the images, and the amount of movement of wonders, that's something we'll keep forever.